Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Hello, everybody.
Hello, how are
Yes, I am. I
ya?
am. I'm
How
good,
are
and you,
you?
teacher?
Okay. Hello, Claudia. Hello, Monse,
Hello.
Juan Jair, Ari, Francisco, Ivan, Diana, Raul,
Hello.
Areli, Stephanie. Welcome to all of you
Hello.
to our class. Let me admit to the other ones. Gloria, Abril. Okay, we're going to continue with our class because the time goes on. El tiempo se nos va rápido.
That's right.
The time goes on a minute. Okay. Yesterday we were talking about personal care products. Cesar. We were talking about these personal care products. We talk about nouns and non-count nouns. We're going to remember some of them. We're going to repeat them. We said that we have a comb, a brush, a toothbrush, a razor, a nail clipper, and a nail file. As second nouns. Non-count nouns, a soap, a deodorant, shaving cream, aftershave, toothpaste, shampoo, hairspray, sunscreen, dental floss, hand and body lotion, and we have makeup, lipstick, mascara, eyeshadow, face powder, and nail polish. Nail polish. Then, then we were talking about quantifiers, and we have the countable nouns and non-countable nouns. We said that in countable nouns we are going to use a and or numbers because they are countable. They have singular and plural. We're going to ask questions with are there any or is there any because they have singular and plural. We're going to use how many and to talk about quantity, use a lot of in affirmative, but not only in affirmative. We are going to use a lot of in affirmative, negative, and in questions. I don't know why I have here only in affirmative. We can use a lot of in question, in negative, and positive. Not only positive, okay? We're going to use many in negative, others in negative, some in positive, in affirmative, and in questions, and any negative and question and a few. And in the other hand, sorry, in the other hand, we have the non-count nouns. Don't use a and in numbers. They can have singular and plural. We're going to ask question with is there any? We use how much. We're talking about quantity. A lot of in affirmative, negative, and in question. We're going to add here because not is only in affirmative. What is it? Match. We're going to use match in. We're going to use match in negative, some in questions and in affirmative, any questions are negative and a little. We were talking about that. Okay. Then we're going to continue. Can you please, Ivan? We have quantifiers for indefinite quantities and amounts. Can you read, please, Ivan, the first definition
Sure.
about some and any?
Use some and any with both plural count nouns and non-count nouns.
Okay. As we said before, We're going to use some and any with both. Plural count nouns and non-count nouns, okay? Some and any are used with both. Countable and uncountable. Thank you, Van. Continue, please, Claudia. Some. Claudia?
The number 2?
The reference some we are going to use in affirmative statements and in negative statements. Can you read the first sentence?
Okay, we bought some comes.
Okay. Now?
Yes.
Mhm.
Now we have some. They need some.
Okay. We have the first one in affirmative, some in affirmative. We bought some comes. Now we have some. Look that we are using in affirmative some. We bought some comes. We bought, we pay for some comes. We pay for some comes. Now we have some. Thank you. Raul, can you read the second one sentence?
Sorry, my microphone. Sure. They need some soap. We have some.
We have some. They need some soap. Look, we need because I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower and I said, oh my God, I don't have any soap. We need some soap. Okay, now I have some soap. Take a shower. Very good. Thank you, Raul. This is some in affirmative statements, okay? But we have any in negative statements. Please, Abril, can you read the first sentence?
I don't have any razor. I don't want any.
Okay, I say in my case, I don't have any mustache and beard. I don't want any. I don't want any. ¿Para qué quiero, verdad? No, I don't have any razors. No matter. I don't want any. No tengo. ¿Para qué? ¿Para qué, verdad? Sí. Tres pelos. No, I don't have any razors. I don't want any. Okay, can you read the second one, Jenny?
Yes, we don't want any makeup. We don't need any.
Okay, maybe Jenny or Diane or Claudia, Stephanie says, we don't want any makeup. We look natural, beautiful, natural. We don't want any makeup. Okay. We don't need any. No necesitan, ¿verdad? Así natural. Natural, you look very, very nice, very beautiful. Listen, we don't want any makeup. We don't need any. Look that we're using any in negative statements, okay? Some affirmative, any negative. But we can use some or any in question. In question, we can use some or any, both. That's the same. Can you read, please, the first question, Jacob?
Yes, teacher. Do you want any aftershave?
Okay, or?
Or do you want some aftershave?
Look, we can ask the same question using any or some. That's the same. Do you want any aftershave? Or do you want some aftershave? That's the same. Thank you. Thank you, Jacob. Cesar, can you read the second one?
Sure. Does she have any nail files? Files?
Or
does she need some nail files?
does she have some nail files? Okay. Does she have any nail files or does she have some nail files? Look, we can use both, some or any. Okay, any question?
Yeah, I have a question.
Some and any, both. are used in plural count nouns and non-count nouns. In both, we can use both. In affirmative, some, negative, any. Question, both. Okay, thank you. But let's continue. We have more definitions. A lot of or lots of. Can you read, please?
Teacher, Raul had a question.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, Raul, sorry.
Yeah, is it common to use any in questions? Because I haven't heard it that much. Usually when I hear a question, it's most common for me, or at least in my experience, to use or hear some.
Yeah.
Is it common to use any?
Both are used, as we saw right here. Both, we can use some or any, but sometimes people use more some. When I was working in United States in a restaurant, I have to offer the customers some coffee, and always I say, I use more some than any. I remember that I never use any when I offer some coffee. I always say, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? It's more useful some than any, but both are, we can use both. But in my own experience, I always use some, but it depends. But it's more common some. Okay, thank you, Raul.
Okay.
One more
Got it.
question for someone. Very good. We have a lot of or lots of. Diana, can you read the definition about these two qualifiers?
Mhm. Use a lot of or lots of with both plural count nouns and non-count nouns in statements and questions. They have the same meaning.
Okay, we can use both lots of or a lot of, sorry, a lot of or lots of. That's the same. A lot of or lots of with both plural count nouns and non-counts in statements and questions. Van a significar lo mismo, they have the same meaning. But what is lots of? In Spanish, ¿qué interpretamos por lots of?
Muchos.
Mucho de.
De a montón. Cuando decimos hoy hay mucho, un montón. That's it. Yeah, that's right. Mucho o muchos, because it's in singular, it's in countable and countable and uncountable nouns. Mucho o mucho, a montones. Yeah, very good. Can you read the first sentence, Diana?
That store has a lot of or lots of razors. They don't have a lot of or lots of sunscreen.
Okay, thank you. Very good. And Stephanie, can you read the second one?
Okay. Do they have a lot of or lot of makeup?
Okay, we can read one of them, but it's okay. The store has a lot of razors, or the store has lots of razors. They don't have. Look that we are using that we are using both in affirmative and in negative and in question. Affirmative, negative, and in question. They don't have a lot of sunscreen. Es que me está tapando aquí. Okay. Do they have a lot of makeup? Very good. But now we're going to read about many and much. Can you read, please, Magella? Magella, can you read about this?
Yes, sure. Use many and much in negative statements.
Okay, use many and much negative statements. Very good. Negative, only in negative, as we saw, before. Many and much only in negative. Very good. Many is used. Ivan, this many. Okay, many with plural count nouns and much with non-count nouns. Yeah. Yesterday we saw that many is with countable, much non-count nouns, uncountable noun. Okay, Ivan, can you read the next sentence? Is not Ivan right there? Is not here. Juan Jair, can you read this sentence?
Sí. They don't have many brands of makeup.
Okay, they don't have many brands of makeup. They don't. Negative. They don't have. They don't have. In negative statements. Negative. They don't have many. And the other one. Blanca, can you read the other one?
Much with non-count nouns.
Okay. The store?
Store doesn't have much toothpaste.
Toothpaste. The store doesn't have much toothpaste. Toothpaste. We are using both many and much in negative. Remember, in negative only many and much. Sometimes we use them in affirmative and no matter people is going to understand. People are going to understand if we say many or much in affirmative, but it's more common in negative. In negative statement, use negative and many, negative and much. Okay. Okay. What's that? Who's doing that? Who is doing that? My God. No. Somebody is playing with our material. Okay. Remember, we're talking about these qualifiers, lots of, or a lot of, many, much, and some and any. Very good. Very, very good. Now let's look this conversation. We're going to listen to this conversation, okay?
Page 53, conversation model, exercise A. Read and listen to someone looking for personal care products in a store.
Excuse me, where would I find sunscreen? Sunscreen? Have a look in the cosmetics section in aisle 2. Actually, I did, and there wasn't any. I'm sorry. Let me get you some from the back. Anything else? Yes, I couldn't find any razors either. No problem. There's some over there. I'll show you.
Okay, when we listen to a conversation, we're going to check the intonation of the person, the people who is talking. Look, we have a man in a store because he's looking for a personal care product. And what does he say? We're going to
page 53, conversation model, exercise A. Read and listen to someone looking for personal care products in a store.
Excuse me, where would I find sunscreen?
Okay, look that the man is looking for sunscreen. Where would I find? Because maybe he was looking in different aisle and he's asking where he can find that.
Sunscreen? Have a look in the cosmetics section in aisle 2.
Okay. Look, the other person says sunscreen. He's asking him that looking in the section of cosmetic section in the aisle. Remember, aisle 2. We're going to listen for pronunciation.
Actually, I did, and there wasn't any. I'm sorry. Let me get you some from the back. Anything else?
Okay, look, let me. When we have a T, sometimes the T is omitted let me get when we're talking with somebody, let me get you some from the back.
Yes, I couldn't find any razors either. No problem. There's some over there. I'll show you.
Okay, look that we underlined the any and some because we said that we are going to use any in negative and some in affirmative. We have an example in this conversation. Can you read, please, the person in A, Diana, and the person in B, Ivan?
Sí.
Diana?
Excuse me, where will I find sunscreen?
Sunscreen. Have a look in the cosmetic section in aisle 2.
Actually, I did, and there wasn't any.
I'm sorry. Let me get you some from the back. Anything else?
Yes, I couldn't find any razors either.
No problem. There are some over there. I'll show you.
Okay, very good. Very good pronunciation. Only how can we say aisle? Aisle in aisle 2. Aisle in aisle 2. Okay? Very good. Very good. And Francisco and Gloria.
Okay.
Okay, can you read, please? Francisco, can you? You're the first one.
Okay. Excuse me, where will I find sunscreen?
Sunscreen? I have a look in the cosmetic section in an aisle 2.
Actually, I did, and there wasn't any.
I am sorry. Let me get you some from the back. Anything else?
Yes, I couldn't find any razor either.
No problem. There are some over there. I show you.
Okay, very good. Someone raise your hand. Who was? Someone raise your hand.
Me, I want to have a participation.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you read? Do you want to participate? Good. You start.
Okay, excuse me, where would I find sunscreen?
Francisco?
Sunscreen? Have a look in the cosmetic section in aisle 2.
Oh, very good.
Actually, I did, and there wasn't any.
I'm sorry. Let me get you some from the back. Anything else?
Yes, I couldn't find any razors either.
No problem. There are some over there. I'll show you.
I'll show you. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Look that we have the any and some. This is because we're talking about the rules of these two quantifiers. Let's continue. All the participants are very good. But we have right there. Gloria, can you read this? Can you read this?
Yes, grammar practice.
This.
Grammar practice. Complete the conversation between a husband and wife packing for a trip.
Okay. Complete the conversation between a husband and a wife packing for a trip. Look, we are talking about a husband and a wife that they are going on a trip. They are packing because they want to go, I don't know where, but we have a conversation. Look, we have Diana and Neil. Diana, who is going to interpret to Diana? Mayela, you are Dana. Mayela is Dana. And Raul, Neil. And Dana is going to choose between these two, any or many.
Do we have many shampoo?
Do we have many shampoo? You said that, do we have many shampoo? Look, is it correct?
Do we have any?
Okay. Ahorita lo vamos a checar, okay? In a moment, we're going to check. Neil.
Yes, we have many shampoo.
Okay, you said, yes, we have many shampoo. Let's continue.
And Maggie use a lot of sunscreen. Is there any?
No, there isn't any. And we don't have much toothpaste either. I can pick some. Up on my way back from, I can see the last word.
Okay.
Okay, Adam's shaving now. Does he need any shaving cream?
He doesn't shave every day. He can use mine.
Okay, very good. Thank you. One more time, let's continue with Abril and Guadalupe. April.
¿Quién es quién?
No matter. Who's first? Guadalupe first, and then the other one.
Okay. Do we have any shampoo?
Yes, we have lots of shampoo.
And Maggie uses a lot of sunscreen. Is there any?
No, there isn't any, and we don't have much toothpaste either. I can pick some up on my way back from work.
Hey, Adam's shaving now. Does he need any shaving cream?
He doesn't shave every day. He can use mine.
Oh, very good. Very, very good. Now, remember that some of you said any or many, or you choose one of them. We're going to check the correct one. Monse, what is the correct in the number one? Any or many?
Any.
Monse?
Any.
Any. Why do you say that any?
I will say any because when you say
Because any,
shampoo?
okay, I can help you because any is using questions and many only in negative, okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Any. Why we don't use many? Because many is only using negative. Very good. Karina, what would you choose in the second one? Neil.
Lot of.
Lots of. Why?
Because we use lot of when it's a positive, affirmative.
Okay, we can use it in negative too and in question, but what else? Why didn't you use many? Why didn't you choose many?
Many is countable in negative.
In negative. Okay, many is using negative. Very good. Lots of. Thank you. Francisco. And Maggie uses Francisco.
Much sunscreen.
Much or a lot of? Much
Much.
or a lot of? Much. You say that is much. Why did you choose much?
Because
look, it's a lot of. Look. Why we don't use much? Remember that much is used only in negative, okay? In negative. Let's continue, Francisco. We have more. Maggie uses a lot of sunscreen. Is there?
Is there any?
Okay. Any?
because it's a question.
Okay, we use any in questions and many only in negatives. Thank you, Francisco. Thank you. Blanca. No, there isn't.
No, there isn't any
Any. Why did you choose any?
because it's negative
Okay, because it's negative. And
and we don't have much.
much. Much.
Yes, the same. Sorry. Because and we don't have much toothpaste either.
Okay,
I-
much.
I
Much.
can yes,
Okay, let's continue.
I can pick some up on my way back from work.
Okay, look, you use any because we're talking about negative. We choose much because it's negative, and we choose some because it's affirmative. Thank you. Next one, Raúl.
Hey, Adam. Hey, Adam's shaving now. Does he need any shaving cream?
Okay, why did you choose any, Raúl? Why did you say that it's any?
Not sure. Kinda just fits.
Yeah, it's any because because many is only using negative. We can use any or some in questions. That's right, any. You choose the correct. You choose the correct. Okay.
Yeah, but
Very,
I'm
very
going to
good.
write that because I just choose it because it feels right, not because I knew the answer.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Look that we have the corresponding answers in each one. Very, very good. Do we have any shampoo? Any, because many is only using negative. Yes, we have lots of. That's the same that here, many only negative. And Maggie uses a lot of sunscreen. Much can be used, but it's only in negative. We use a lot of. Is there any? We use any or some in questions. No, there isn't. Since we see a negative, we are sure that we're going to use any because some only in affirmative, okay? And we don't, we have one more negative, much. Toothpaste. And toothpaste is non-count noun. We use much. I can pick some up on my way back from work. I can pick some up. I can pick some up. Affirmative, some. Hey, Adam's shaving now. Does he need any shaving cream? Does he need any shaving cream? Any question, we use any. He doesn't shave every day. He can use mine. Okay, very good. Lo han hecho muy bien. All of you are very good. Look, now we're going to have some practice with much and many. Much and many. Can you complete the number one, Guadalupe?
Yes. She can't use much salt in her cooking.
Okay, very good. Can you read the number two, Monse?
There weren't many people at the meeting.
There weren't many. Many. There weren't many people. Many people at the meeting. Clau, number three, please.
We don't have to do many homework today.
Many. Homework. Look, homework is countable or uncountable noun.
Uncountable.
We don't have to do much homework today.
Today, okay, homework, much homework. We don't have to do much homework today. Very good. Karina,
Don't eat too much eggs.
look, eggs, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. What are we going to use with countable?
Many.
Many, okay. Don't eat too many eggs. Don't eat too many eggs. Very good. Ari, number 5. Ari,
The husband wasn't paying much attention to his wife.
very good. Next one, 6, Jenny.
He doesn't have much friends.
Friends, countable or uncountable? Countable or uncountable? Countable.
Many.
Many friends. Very good. Raul, number 7.
I didn't make much money 5 years ago.
I didn't make much money. Very good. Juan Jair,
Adults don't have to drink much milk.
oh, sorry, I put it.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. I didn't check that. Next, I can. Juan Jair. Okay, Francisco.
I can
drink.
I can drink much orange juice.
Orange juice. Okay, and countable, much. And the last one, Diana.
Don't you buy too many oranges.
Very good. Oranges. Oranges, many. Don't buy too many oranges. Look. Now we have much and many. Both, all of them in negative, all of them in negative, but much with non-countable nouns or uncountable, and many with countable nouns. Very good. We have less than 1 minute. We have less than 1 minute. Thank you. Tenemos menos de 1 minuto. Let's continue, please, tomorrow. You lo han hecho perfecto, todos ustedes. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you to all of you. Lo hacen bien. Continuamos mañana porque está por cortarnos esto y pues, sorry. Yes.
Okay. Have a good night, teacher.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.